Hi, my name is Michaela. I'm the director for On Call Counsel. We're always looking for great candidates like you to join our clients. Check out our latest opportunity.
We have a great opportunity for litigation attorneys. Some responsibilities include assessing the discovery needs of an assigned matter, including identifying outstanding discovery needed and working with our client agencies to obtain the needed materials, coordinating document productions and the creation of privilege logs, and taking and defending depositions. If you are admitted to practice in the Southern District of New York and the Eastern District of New York, or can become admitted, and have at least 3 years of litigation experience, you can be a great fit for this role.
We are aiming to fill this role immediately, as is our client, so this opening probably won't last long. Please apply as soon as possible, and we're looking forward to meeting you.